So in this lecture we learn about search and we'll differentiate between find and search. In the example we see we have to find capital M. In both the places we have written capital M. First we will try finding using find and then we'll find using search. In difference basically in both both find and search is that find identifies capital letters and small letters differently, but search treats them as same. It is not case sensitive. In the first case we will write down find bracket open and find text. What we have to find? We have to find out capital M. We put in capital M, then put a comma. Then second is within text. Within text is the location. That means this is our source data. We have to find, then comma. The start num. Start num means from which number you want to start finding. That is location number 1, K1. We'll write down 1, enter. Right, 7, and we'll copy it down. So in the case Kapil Mohan, M is there, but rest of the 4 there is no capital M, so it gives an error. If we do it in search, how we can do it? We will write down equal to SEARCH bracket open and find text capital M, put a comma. Within text, here you have to find comma from which location? Location number 1, first character we will start finding, and press enter. It is 7 here also, and we'll copy it down. You see, in these two cases there is no M, so it is an error. In these two cases there is an M, but not capital, small m. So here it gives an error, but here gives the location of small m. So search do not differentiate between capital and small. And how to handle this error? What we can do is we'll just go on the first location, and the starting we'll write down if error if error bracket open, and if error has 2 arguments, that is the value, we'll read the complete search statement as the first value, comma, the value is an error. What it will show? It will show not found. This is what we want. Press enter. Now we copy the first location where we have written a formula, and it will copy to other locations also. So in 2 location it is not found, and rest location it is resulted with the location of capital M or small m.